Welcome back guys in another amazing video in which I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Microsoft Windows. The main purpose of publishing this tutorial of VS Code on YouTube is that I am starting HTML series and then I will start CSS series on firstly on Instagram, and whenever I will make a project from HTML and CSS, I will post the whole code with video format and result also on YouTube. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram so that you will not miss any tutorial or any day of HTML and CSS. In future we will also create very amazing projects using these two powerful languages. So first of all, you have to go on Chrome. Here you can search download VS Code or VS Code download. The first link we will get, click on the first link. Now you have to install it for Windows, but you can see here multiple options are available for Windows, for Linux, for Mac. I am sure this tutorial is based on Windows system. You have to install system installer in 264, not ARM64, because ARM64 is something another or which does not provide complete services to us. So we have to install complete system package multiply by 64 into 64 means it is suitable for 64-bit processor or Windows. Click on system installer into 64. Here it will automatically download it for Windows system. You can save the exe file and then you can copy it to you can run the setup. After that you can see downloading has been started. But I have already installed it previously, so I will show you tutorial from that also. Here you can see the file. Double click on the file and you will see some agreement. Checkmark the agreement, create desktop icon. Next, finish and then install. I am not installing it as I have already installed it in my PC. You can finish the installation and then you will be able to use the VS Code. In next video, I will show you how to use the Visual Studio Code and its first look. Till then, take care and goodbye.